know. It's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I wanted them. Hey boy! Ramp with me now. Come drop me down at church now. Where are your kids? I'm on my way to church. Don't drop me down at church. Give me a key. There you go.
5 days drop down at church.
Drop down at church 500?
One drive your bus and drive you up.
Just drop me down here.
Me ask you a question.
That sound like it will cost more.
No, no.
We don't have no money.
Now.
Give me a key, give me a key. I'm drive it
No, I don't have it in there.
Come on. It's in the vehicle. No good for the reversing, you know. I drop man, you can't reverse. Alright. Which one? Then I'll come. Guys, I come from church, you know. Pumpkin, if I come to church, me and Mama and Tyrone and Kin still there at church, had some maths thingy. So I'm heading in now. I want to go and try to get some rest because my sleeping has been off. I need to try and get some rest. And I need to try to do some studying because I have some exams coming up. Also, I have some cleaning. That's on what do I call that now? Not decoration. That's some stuff we do in our house basically. So I'm gonna try and get some sleep and deal with that and stuff. So keep it locked to SkyLife TV. You don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Gang, gang, gang. Big up on yourself. Oh, that lighting though. Later.
I very often watch a lot of young people sort of meander around without any idea about why they're doing what they're doing. I mean, to want and to be ambitious and to want to be successful is not enough. That's just desire. To know what you want. To
I'm surprised. I will seek you and you will find you're my strong tower. Yeah, my voice kind of hoarse. I love it. I love the hoarseness. Good morning, guys. Don't know it's the girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what a damn. Gang, gang, gang. So guys, today is March 6th, 2018. My birthday is tomorrow. How much just the 5th?
Today is 6, just like 6.
I'm sorry, today is the 5th.
You're full life.
Morning.
No, when in band, can is 6.
My birthday.
Band is 6 unless it's my birthday.
No. I got the dates mixed up. Tomorrow is the 6th. I just be glowing in these streets. Yeah, tomorrow's my birthday. I can't believe I'm gonna be 26.
Yes, I saw you all later.
Can't believe.
I saw you all.
You know, I'm just so excited. I'm gonna have my get together on the weekend. My photo shoot as well. It's the first time I'm actually it's the first time I'm actually doing something for my birthday, so I'm pretty excited. I'm getting my tiara today, you know, my crown. You know, I'm the queen. You know, something so extra. Yeah, so I'm just so happy and excited about this week. It's gonna be litty. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm on my way to work. Ooh, Melica! Sorry. I'm on my way to work. After work, I don't have school today, so that's pretty good. Coming home. No, I'll get my tiara today. Then, come on. I'm gonna get my tiara. Ooh. So that's what we're doing now. Punky gone to school. Body snatched. Everything in line. Excuse me. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. You know, at 26 I thought my plans were so different. You know, I'm gonna reach it, but my plans for 26, reaching 26, was so totally different from what they actually are. You know, I'm just so surprised and appalled. You know, God working mysterious ways. So you have one thing planned and then you have a next thing planned. You understand?
Like
So
you should have married with babies by now.
yeah, I thought I would be married with kids and move out and move away and God don't work it so. But I'm still excited. I'm still happy. A lot of people don't get to live to their birthday this year and what people did last year too. So I'm happy. So stay tuned to Skylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Definitely show the love. I don't know if I'm going to upload a video here, but wish me happy birthday. Happy birthday, Melica. You're a nice girl. Later. Hi guys. Something just came across my mind. I just wanted to share with you guys. Now, I don't know if you guys take your energy like serious. Like I'm gonna take my energy serious. I try not to allow myself around bad energy. Bad energy, according to Tanto Black. Yeah. It's very important to manage your energy and balance your energy. Managing your energy has to do with not letting anybody in your space that will switch your energy to a negative one, right? And that will include you maybe have to distance yourself from people or find out who people are at their core and see if that lines up with what you are about. And in balancing your energy now, you have to know, like, it kind of hard for me sometimes, like, not to worry too much about situations. Know that things are the way they are supposed to be, not to overreact and not to get angry. It's hard to do those stuff because those stuff are a part of our genetic makeup, you know. So I try to balance my energy and also watch who I let in my circle, you understand, so that my energy won't shift. So try to do that, guys. Balance and maintain your energy as an individual, and things will start to shift and work out more for you. A scenario that I had the other day, I was supposed to do a test on Friday, but I got an email that I'm supposed to do the test at 4. I was projecting for 6. So when I called the school, now I say I'm not worried. I'm just going to call the school and find out what can be done. Normally more than I worry and I kill up myself. In me calling the school, I was so calm and I say everything will work out. I'll do my test or whatever. When I called the school, I was like to the lecturer, I got an email that my test is at 4, and she was like, no, your test is not at 4. Your test is at 6. So be here for 6. So I was like, okay, then I was trying to call. I was calling to try to reschedule to go and do the test at 6. When my energy went just so right, when I called, the universe actually worked out for me already. You understand? So I just want to share that with you now. And thing later. Hi guys. I'm about to leave work right now. Oh yeah, pick up speed like, you know, and I vlogged me. Hey guys, we're leaving work now. Driver, no man no for what I'm door fan of fam. Heading in town and about to go home. I have cars right there, driver right there, Tamika right there. The sun though. So guys, that's what I'm doing now. So later.